God will save you from the flood from Noah's Ark. Just by taking inventory of your Christian heart.
We got cabin fever, baby. We got cabin fever.
From all of those crocodiles that are coming out of the bio in this age child. Jesus will save you.
Something ain't right with her. Something ain't right with her. Why I gotta be stuck in the house with this? I'm stuck in the house with this. I'm trying to sit here, have me a nice little salad, drink some water.
Shine on the light from heaven, Lord. Shine on me. Shine on the light and help me on the right road. Hey, oh, shine on me. Hey, when you stuck in the house, what else you gonna do?
Shine on me.
Come on now, join in.
I'm not gonna join in. I'm not gonna do that. I almost fell into it.
Yes, she did.
Oh my God, y'all, I'm so bored.
Making the way in these H-Town streets takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. When you like to get away, sometimes you wanna go where there is no floods or rain, and there's only sunshine without the pain. You wanna be where you can see. See how I hit that? See. Your troubles are the same. You wanna go where there's only sunshine, no pain.
Or rain.
Or rain.
Or rain.
No pain. Oh, that brings me to this one. No pain. No pain. No gain. There was an old lady sitting under a tree. She called me over and she said to me, my days left here may not be long. I wouldn't waste my time telling you nothing.
I cannot.
Hey.
I'm about to drop it. I'm about to drop the phone.
Hey, and this is Houston. Love is a flower that needs the sun and the rain.
What is it? The pleasure brings a whole lot of
pain.
Tell her when she gonna sing something to know the dang old words. Oh my God. I just, oh my God.
Ooh, we've been in the house.
We've been in the house way too long. Way too long. Oh my God. Can y'all help me please? Because this has been like 2 days. It's just been 2 days. Saturday and today. And look what's happening. You finish.
I don't even have any other songs, but I just want to tell y'all. Ooh, we got to get out of here. It's not too long.
This is called cabin fever. Real cabin fever.
Even my bun. Look at my bun. It's disheveled. I got me a little Michael Jackson.
Oh, God.
Woo. All right, y'all. We got to stay up. Stay woke.
Y'all, I just tried to go live and check on my friends, and that happened. Oh my God. Whew. We'll hit y'all back later. Bye.